What, on with the camera?
Yeah.
Let's just hope that, oh my god, I'm gonna hurt my bottom.
What are you doing?
Going down the stairs, oh my god. Dad, hurry! My pants are frozen! Why is your frozen in position? Alright.
Go down!
Alright, this is Rachel's.
Go down. No, you're supposed to stay down! Yeah! With the camera! Go do it!
Alright, hold it.
Hey, dude, look. I was supposed to be first, okay?
You want to go on my lap?
Yeah. You just work. You should get this.
Ah, my feet are frozen. No! You don't realize how cold this is.
I don't. Got it up there?
No.
Just hurry up.
Just like...
Come on, people don't have that long.
Why not? You're not going to my friend!
Okay, ready?